today out at Willow Bank near Ipswich. Bit of roll racing on tonight. Done it before, but this will just be another crack for the ute, see how she goes. We're not putting the semi-slicks on this time, we're leaving the street tyres. They're still a 285, so they've got, you know, plenty of meat on them, but they are street tyres, so we'll see how they hold up.
So we're off, we're going on the track. Let's get some choppies. Hopefully. So the right lane is for racing your mate, and the left lane is to race someone random. So from what it looks like, whatever car's behind us, I think we're going to be racing that. This thing sounds turboed.
VL.
Is it? I think you did pretty well there, mate.
Yeah, not bad. It only spun a tiny bit in second, it wasn't too bad.
So I can't tell who we're versing just yet.
Same guy again.
It's the same bloke in the VL, round 2. I think he missed third, eh?
Me?
No, him.
Oh, I'm not sure what he did there, but I fucking got him just.
That was close as that one.
That was like an inch.
Looks like we're up against this thing. 1J MX83. Assuming it's a 1J swap.
Missed that you, mate. Oh, unfortunately.
Up against this thing.
That was close, eh?
That was a close one. Do you reckon you won? I don't know. So it appears we're up against the GDR, mate. What do you reckon?
Hang on, Rook.
Fuck yeah, a bit of go off the mark.
Yeah, that's all I'm going for.
Yeah. So after a minor issue with the bit of the inner guard dragging, bit of plastic on the wheel, we just had to pull over. We're about to race what looks like an old Holden ute. That went alright, I think. He was all over the place at the start, eh?
Yeah, so were we, but
Yeah.
it was spinning second, getting mad.
The tyres are too cold.
And then I short shifted and then it just dragged on third for ages.
Up against the turbo Lexus, mate.
Ah, yes.
So this one fucking pans out. What do you reckon about that one?
That was quick. Jesus.
As soon as he hits gate, it just takes off, eh?
Same, mate. That was quick. Didn't like it.
We've been called out by this commie ute. Not ute, what am I am I talking about?
Wow.
We've been called out by this cummy
Sedan.
sedan. That turbo LS, mate.
Oh, mate, you gotta beat that. Jesus.
Sucked in and spat you right back out. That was a close one. Definitely turbo though, I think it's turbo LS.
I know, you don't even realise it
Until you hear the brake boost thing,
It's
yeah.
like, oh, undercut the turbo. Same with this thing though, like you wouldn't even know it was blowing until you fucking
Read the number plates.
yeah. Well,
How'd she go, mate?
yeah, not bad, not bad.
First run in?
Good. Yeah, no leaks, which is good. Only one throttle control fault.
Well, that's standard, isn't it?
And a little bit of wheel spin.
A little bit of wheel spin.
That's about it.
So what blowers on this?
That's a 2.3 litre VMP performance blower. It's got MFP's billet manifold kit on it. 1000cc injectors, Walbro 460 pump. It's got a new heat exchanger at the front there as well. It actually runs an intercooler underneath the blower, and which runs its own little reservoir. Other than that, it's stock as a rock, mate.
I don't know what happened. That bloke's obviously smacked into the wall with his ass somehow. Up against the R34.
Other skyline.
Loves a bit of smoke.
He's that one real.
Spinning tyres, missing gears, mate. What's happening? Jesus.
Not happy.
Up against that 180 SX that we versed before. This was a really close one, so hopefully we can get him this time. You ever driven manual, buddy?
Wait, we're going to better. My clutch is fucked.
Alright, so we've got a rematch against the 180 SX. See if Bailey can actually hit gears for once.
This time we got him.
This time we got him for sure. Also want to take a second to make sure you do subscribe. We're going to be doing giveaways in the future and you're going to need to be subscribed for them, so make sure you're in the draw to win. We're giving away shirts and tickets for events and plenty of things like that, so make sure you are subscribed. Hope you're enjoying this video. Let's go. Is it playing up, mate? It's not going into gear properly.
Why go to third?
Up against the Supra, it's probably 1,000 horses. It's like every Supra. bit closer, mate.
Oh, that's not bad for us, right?
Yeah, not bad, mate. Not bad. So, we're in the eliminations, I believe. Hopefully we come up against something that doesn't have a massive turbo on it.
We don't get kicked out first round.
Hopefully we can stay in for more than one round. So we're up against probably the only other XR8 that we've seen here. From what we've heard, it is stock, pretty much nothing done to it, so we should have this in the bag, providing that Bailey knows how to hit third gear. The only one that mattered. So we're up against the same car that we versed, I think it was first or second race?
First or second, I think.
Yeah, so from what I remember it was relatively close, providing that Bailey can drive once again. Unfortunately, that's our run of roll racing done. Had a good time regardless though.
Yeah,
it's always good fun out here on the track.
We didn't get to do elimination last time.
Yeah, so we didn't make it to elimination last time, but you know, it's a good experience. So we'll just give this guy a little shaka. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Good race. Alright, so roll racing is over for the night. The Toyota Corolla, it's a little bread van. Little wagon. He ended up taking it home. He's got a 2J swap in it, or 1J, I don't know.
He actually won the last roll racing too.
So he won last roll racing, won this one as well. He's quite a quick car, so well done to him. We didn't do as well, unfortunately, but we did have a lot of fun, and that's what it's about. So make sure you do subscribe if you like this video. There's going to be more stuff like this with roll racing and other events to come. Make sure you do subscribe. It really helps us out. Leave a comment, drop a like, all that great stuff.